Hi there, my name is Norm. I am the founder of Pwr-XS Research and Development from Montreal. I'd like to introduce what I consider the ultimate power solution for the GoPro camera, and it's called the Pwr-XS. This system is compatible with the Hero 3, 3 Plus, and 4. It offers a long-duration battery life with unequaled on-the-fly capabilities. The kit includes an adapter body and a flexible to rigid PCB assembly. Canadian and US buyers also have the option of adding 2 batteries, a protective case, and a charger. The assembly is compact, waterproof, lightweight, requires no cabling, and above all, it uses high-performance rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that come at an unbeatable price. I have a passion for off-road motorcycle riding. Along with several of my riding buddies, we love recording each adventure with our GoPros. But being out all day, we keep running out of batteries every time. A full day's worth of recording is a must for us, not just a few hours. When I looked around for solutions, there were a few interesting options out there, but none of them really offered exactly what I wanted. So I decided to sit down in my lab and started brainstorming on what I thought would be the ideal solution. The battery had to be off-the-shelf, low-cost, with long life. Here it is. This is a readily available off-the-shelf industrial battery, Panasonic NCR 18650B. It has the highest power density and is simply the best that the industry can offer. Each one can provide over 3 hours of HD recording and costs a mere $5 US. Recharging can be done using the GoPro or with an external charger. The final version of the adapter will be made of the same clear material as the GoPro, that is robust, high-impact polycarbonate. This is how you upgrade your GoPro. Simply remove the backdoor and stock battery and replace them with the Pwr-XS items as shown here. The system is protected against reversed battery polarity. See how quick and easy it is to swap batteries. Now, using the prototype, let's do a battery swap again, but underwater. The adapter housing has a separating wall that keeps your camera safe from rain and dust. With any 12-volt or USB outlet, you can recharge one battery while the other is being used for recording. This means that you can keep going on recording almost indefinitely. And at last, you'll be able to fully appreciate the GoPro's powerful looping feature. Just one last push is needed for those critical steps required to complete the industrial design, polish this product, and make it market ready. Too many GoPros are left collecting dust at home because their owners became frustrated of consistently running out of battery power in the middle of the day. I like to put an end to this, because you know what? We sure like listening to your adventure stories, but watching them would be so much better. I'm looking forward to ship you your brand new Pwr-XS. Thank you for supporting this project.